so.
Supposed to remain there until he's dead. Could it be the prophecy is not true? I don't want to believe that the gods are on his side now. No! No! I heard you talk about prophecy. What is the prophecy like? Or could it be what I see in my dreams at times?
Your dreams? Tell me about your dreams.
At times, I see myself in a strange land, company with voices, whispering to my ears. Also, I see myself being chased by unseen beings. When I wake up, everything comes recurring to me.
That is strange. Of a truth, there was a prophecy. But it seems the prophecy is not coming to pass. Oh, it has changed.
Can prophecy be changed?
I can't tell. Anna Baronye was supposed to have died in the ancient web. But he didn't.
Who is Anna Baronye?
Help me, please. Please help me, help me. Help me. Thank you. Please help me. Please. Thank you. This is wickedness. Please help me. Help me. Please. Please help me. Help me, please. Please. Thank you. Thank you.
Have you finally decided to quit?
Far from that, Father. I came to ask you a question. Is it true that Nora is not Oroma's biological mother?
Now tell me, who is feeding you with such stories?
I overheard Mazimbe and Atike talking about it. So now tell me, Father, is what my ears heard correct?
What your ears heard is correct. Nora is not the mother of Oroma. Her mother died while giving birth to her.
So what about her father?
No one knows who is her father.
Even at that, must it be in the spirit world? Must it be in the spirit world, I say?
This is serious. This is serious.
Where no one dares to enter.
It's a serious problem.
That is what is draining me.
I'm just coming out from Egodi's house. And Egodi said that she is no more interested in selling that her only portion of land. So you have to look.
Let me go and get that scatter for you. Okay.
Good afternoon. Kiru, how are you?
I'm fine.
This one you have decided to visit us today.
I came to collect some food items.
Oh, Papa, you're what? How? Oh, the sun is good.
Nne, what happened to your face?
It's nothing to worry about.
How can you say this is nothing to worry about? You have bruises all over your face. What happened? Did you dash your face on the wall again?
This is something a blind woman like me go through all the time.
This is my fault too. Assuming I stayed back, this wouldn't have happened.
How do you mean?
Roma never wanted the both of us to leave the house together, but I insisted. If I stayed back, I would have given you a helping hand and this wouldn't have happened.
You wouldn't have stopped what happened from happening.
It's me.
At least you accomplished a greater task. Waneka. Sacrifices are made at all times. Any drop of bloodshed hinders the outbursts of the greater one.
Let me go and get some help. And see if I can close the fresh look of the wound. Oh? Sorry, Sorry. I'm coming.
I will see if you get the dry one under the sun too. Sorry.
Don't touch it. Is it that bad?
It's not that bad, but we'll treat it. Next time, try to be more careful. I won't leave you again. So, I'm here.
Hey, Papa. This one of Ukebu's friend, I wanted to kill Nkiru in the stream the other day.
Come here. You are Obase, the son of Odebalibo.
Yes, I am now.
Okay, you are the one that conspired with your friend Ukebu to kill my late brother's daughter in the stream the other day, isn't it?
No,
Shut up your mouth. You are so lucky. You are so lucky that I am in my right frame of mind. Otherwise, I will have dealt with you severely for trying to take my niece's life. Now, get out from my side before I get angry with you.
Rubbish.
Is the rubbish for me or for him?
For him, of course.
Why didn't you say it when he was here?
Papa, you have started though. Leave me alone though. You have started.
I have started. In fact, you have to be going to the farm alone. I will join you later.
Papa, I don't understand.
You do not understand what? Were you not the one that told me that Nkiru attacked Omaba.
And so?
I'm going to his house to know how he is faring.
I'm not joining you now. Later I will come to the farm.
I'm not going.
You are not going to the farm. Will you move away? Go to the farm. Ah. I said
every time Nkiru.
Even though she's being manipulated, I don't want anybody to kill her for us.
What is really wrong with this girl? Why is she so difficult to get, unlike others? Due to her stubbornness, we wanted to drown her. What am I going to do now? Ciao.
Who is in my farm? What are you doing in my farm?
Nah, good evening.
What are you doing in my farm?
I want to collect some help for my mother Nora who dashed her head on the wall.
Is that so? Is that why you are afraid of? Collect as much as you want. Eh?
Thank you.
Collect and get away from the farm. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Are you going to watch it?